Hello kids, so I hope that you have revised the concept which we have studied in our last class regarding the LCM and what are the different ways that how we can find out the LCM. Okay, so in today's class, let's begin with the exercise 5A. So the first question is find the 6 multiples of each of these numbers and then find the common multiples. I am picking first part where we have to find the we have to consider the numbers 6 and 9, and first we have to find the first 6 multiples. So 6 multiples of 6 is 6, then 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. These are the first 6 multiples of 6. And coming to 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. Okay, so these are the first 6 multiples of 6 and 9, and then let's find the common multiples. Common multiples are 18, right? And then next one is 36. These are the two common multiples when we see from among the first 6 multiples. Okay, and then we have to find the LCM. LCM is the least common multiple. So from the list, the least common multiple is 18. So the LCM is 18 here. Okay, so kids, I hope that you have understood how we have done this. And now let me pick the another question for you. Let me pick 3, 2 and 4. Okay, the D part, 3, 2 and 4. So what are the common first 6 multiples of 3? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Coming to 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. And then coming to 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. These are the multiples, first 6 multiple of these numbers. Now what we have to find is, after first 6 multiples are done, this is done, we have to find the common multiples. Okay, so what are their common multiples? So among these, the common multiples are, see, we don't have 3 here, we have 6, but we don't have 6 here. So the first common multiple of these numbers, if you see, is 12. Okay, so I'm writing 12 here. The next will be, when you will extend this, the next will be 24 and so on. Okay, so this is the list of the common multiples, and now we have to find the LCM, that is the least common multiple among this list, which is 12. So 12 is the LCM here. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we have done this question now. The rest two parts, B and C, I am marking as homework. Now, second question, use the number line to find the common multiples and the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. So for this, let me erase this first. We are going to use the same number line which is given to us. So now we know the steps we have learned in the last class. What we have to do, first of all, we are going to mark the multiples of number 3 here. So for this, I am using the color black. So it will start from 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, and then from 12 to 15, from 15 it is 18, 18 to 21, 21 to 24. Okay, these are the multiples of 3. And next number is 5. So starting from 0, it is 5, then 10, then 15, then after 15, for 5, we have 20, 25 and so on. Okay, and if you look here, we have the multiples. What are the common multiples? Common multiples are the numbers where these two lines are meeting. So one such place is 15 here. Okay, Next will be 30 if we extend this line, but for the given line we have 15. So common multiple will be 15, sorry, it will be 15, 30 and so on. And then the LCM, the least common multiple. So from the list, the smallest number is 15. This is the least common multiple. Okay, easy. So I hope you have understood how we have done this. Now let's move to third question. These numbers have already been factorized for you. Find the LCM of the given pairs. Okay, so 8, the factors of 8 are given for 25, 16 and 10. All these numbers, factors are given to us. Now what we have to do is we have to find the LCM. Okay, so let me do A part first. 8 and 16. What are the factors of 8 given to us? It is 2 into 2 into 2. And for 16, this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, these are the factors given to us. These are the factors. Now what we have to do is we have to find the LCM. And how we can find the LCM? We have to find the common factors. So we can pick 1 2 from here, we can pick another 2 from here, and we can pick third 2 from here. These are the common factors we have written. And now the remaining or the uncommon one, this is this 2. Okay, so if we multiply these all, we will get the number 16. So the LCM of 8 and 16 is 16 itself. Okay, so this part I have done. Also, I am picking one more question here. Let me pick question number C, 8 and 25. What are the factors of 8, kids? 2 into 2 into 2. And what are the factors of 25? 5 and 5. And now LCM. For LCM, we will see the common factors first, but nothing is common. So we will write all the factors because all are not common. Okay, so this will give us what? 2 into 2 into 4 is 8. This is 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 5 is 200. So the LCM of 8 and 25 is LCM is 200. Okay, also understand one thing, kids. If by seeing the numbers we can figure out that there is nothing common, then we can just write the LCM as product of these two numbers. Okay, so for the case if no factor is common in the given two numbers, then we will just find the product of these two numbers, which will be the LCM. And if you see above, we have actually done the same thing here. Okay, so if we multiply 25 into 8, we will get 200, which is LCM, which we just find out. Okay, so always remember this. We have done 8 and 25. C part, sorry, this was C part. And now let me do one more part for you. We have done A, we have done C. Let me pick E. So if you see E now, for E, we have the numbers as 25 and 16. So by looking at this number, can you think of any table where any number in whose table this 25 and 16 they come together? There is no such number. Okay. So this 25 and 16, they are not coming in any table together. So what we can do, we can simply write down the LCM of these two numbers as product of these two numbers, which is 400. Okay, and also otherwise if you just want to find it out, what we have to do is LCM will be product of the factors of these two numbers, because for the factors of 25 is 5 and 5, for 16 it is 4 times 2 given to us. Nothing is common. Multiply these all, we will get 400 only. So same thing we have done here also. So I hope you have understood how we have to find the LCM using the factors now. Now let us move to the next question, question number 4. where what we have to do is we have to find the LCM using the prime factorization method. To find out the prime factorization method, we have used two methods, right? So we can use any of those. Question number 4. Let us do the first question. A part 16 and 24. So what we will do to find the LCM 16 and 24? Both are coming in the table of 2. Okay, 2 into 8 and 12, again 2 into 4 and 6, 2 into 2 and 3. Now there is no such table where 2 and 3 are coming together. So what we are going to do, we will write the common factors first, that is 2 into 2 into 2, and the remaining or the uncommon, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So this is 16 into 3, 48. So the LCM is 48 here. Okay. So this is how we have to do this. Now let me erase this. Let us do another question. I am picking C part now. C for 10 and 18. So let us use another method now. For prime factorizations only, what are the factors of 10? Factors are 2 and 5. Factors of 18 is 2 into 9, and we can further write 9 as 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors of 10 and these are the factors of 18. Now what we have to do, we have to find the common factors. So here 2 and this 2 is common. We are writing it once. Then nothing is common. So we will write, I'm writing all the uncommon factors. 5 and then this 3 and 1 more 3. So this is equal to 5 into 2 is 10 into 3 is 30 into 3 is 90. LCM is 90 here. Okay. So we have done using the another method. Let me also pick G part now. 10, 15 and 20. Okay. G, I'm writing 10, 15 and 20. Let us try to do using this method. So if we see this, we know one number where all these numbers, where in which table all these three numbers are coming, or which is a factor of these three numbers. This is 5 into 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now let us do with 2, 2 into 1, 3 as is and 2. What are the common factors? Now I'm writing what is the LCM. What are the common factors? 5 and 2. And what are the not uncommon factors? It is 3 and 2. Done? So this is 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into 2 is 6. This will give us 60. This is the answer. Okay. So this is how we have to do such questions, kids. Next, question number 5 and question number 6. For that, let me erase this fast. Question number 5 is a giant wheel with a red cart on the top. Take 30 seconds to take a full turn. So there is a wheel with a red cart. It is having a red cart on the top and it is taking 30 seconds to take a full turn. And then there is another giant wheel with a green cart on the top and it is taking 20 seconds to take a full turn. And if both of them they start at the same time, how long will the green and red cart on the top at the same time meet again? So what it's saying is that we have a cart having, there is one cart where we are having a red wheel and the another cart is having a green wheel, and they are taking 30 and 20 seconds to take a full turn, and we have to find the time where they are going to meet at the same time again. That means we have to find a place, we have to find the time where they are landing together. Okay, so that will be their least common multiple. Okay, so question number 5, we are given 30 seconds and another one For another one, we are given 20 seconds. And what we have to do is we have to find where they are landing together. For that, we have to find their LCM. Okay, so this is 2. With 2, we have 15 and 2 into 10. And then 5 into 3, 5 into 2. So these are the common factors. 2 and 5. We are writing the common factors now, and the remaining factors are 3 and 2. These are the remaining factors. So this is 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 10 is 60. So after 60 seconds, both the cards are going to meet again. Okay, because this is the least common multiple. I hope you have understood this. Next is, what is the smallest multiple that 6 and 8 have in common? So the smallest multiple and common also. So that means we are talking about the least common multiple of 6 and 8. That is, we have to find that what is the LCM of 6 and 8. Let me erase this, kids. So by now, I hope that you have understood fully that how we have to find the LCM using all the methods. Okay. Now in this question, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay. So let us do it fast. With 6 and 8, we have 2 into 3, 2 into 4, and then 3 and 4 have nothing in common. So what is the LCM? First write the common factors 2 and then the uncommon one, 3 into 4. So this is 24. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, so kids, with this our chapter and exercise is completed, and in the next class we are going to pick the another chapter. Please do the homework, go through these questions, practice them well at home, and if there is any confusion you can always email me. Okay, and I will see you all with the next class with the new chapter. Thank you.